All right, guys, you will not believe what I got my hands on, right? Everybody's talking about it. It's all the rage, but I figured I'd get my nose on it. We're talking about Amouage Guidance. Let's unbox it. So Guidance is a rose forward fragrance, and it's got pear and saffron and some of the other notes in here. Now, I know rose is a little contentious here lately and not everybody's into it. I noticed that they come in a lot of Middle Eastern fragrances, but here we go. It's got a sleeve on it. You slip the sleeve off. There's a little art on the inside there. And then the front here is a little textured. I'm gonna go ahead and crack the box open. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, you can smell it coming out of the box. Textured on the inside too. It's like a, I don't know, like a suede, kind of texturized. And they've got the same thing on the inside here. It's a little plush. It's got soft touch, kind of like if you drive a Audi. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pop it out. So this is a bit of a controversial fragrance. So my understanding, this is a heavy hitter, right? It's got all the sillage in the world, the projection and the longevity are on beast mode from my understanding. They say you want to caution however many sprays you're gonna use based on the mood you plan to be in, right? 1 or 2, 3 at most. I mean, it's probably gonna gas somebody out. It can be headache inducing from what I understand as well, but let's go ahead and give it a spray. Oh yeah, that's that's strong. All right, let's see what we got. So the rose is forward. It's all in the beginning. You can smell it. The pear, I don't know the interpretation here in the pear, but that sandalwood and akigala wood do stand out. I can smell the woodiness in this. Ambergris, I do pick up something, I want to say metallic, but on the fleshy fecal side. Now, not fecal as in it smells like absolute poo, but you do pick up the animalic tones in this. For me though, and this may be a lot of other people, ambergris tends to smell metallic, and that might be why. Also with the saffron tends to have that. Yeah, Guidance Amouage is definitely hot and heavy. It's definitely a fragrance you want to wear in the fall or in the winter. Maybe you can get away with it in early spring, but by the time it warms up, this may be a little cloying. It may be a little headache inducing. I don't know. All right, so I went over a few of the notes in the beginning, but I'll go over them from Fragranica. There's pear, hazelnut, olibanum in the top. The mid has osmanthus, rose, saffron, jasmine, sambac. The base has sandalwood, vanilla, akigala wood, ambergris, and labdanum. So based on this first impression, I recommend it. Now, you may like rose and sandalwood and akigala wood and pear and saffron and all the notes that come in this, but the scent profile may not necessarily be what you're expecting. For example, I bought Love Tuberose by Amouage and I bought Blossom Love by Amouage. Neither of them was what I expected based on the notes that I read. So for this, make sure that you get a sample first and try it, because the price tag may not be something you want to just experiment with, right? Also because the scent profile may not be something you just want to experiment with, and you buy it, you don't like it, and then you've got it, and you're gonna have to gift it off or try to find somewhere to sell it. All right, so this was my unboxing and review of Guidance by Amouage. If you like what you've seen, go ahead and click like, comment down below. Any recommendations of fragrances that you'd like to see, or I can do more videos of the ones that I have in my collection. You can also follow, that'll help me out, and I can also get some more videos out for you. Guidance by Amouage.